Good morning, second graders. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. Hope everybody is doing well, staying safe and healthy. Glad to see you come back for another day in our Google Classroom. I did just want to come on here and share two things with you real quick. The first one is that today at 10:30 during our office hours on Google Meet, Mrs. Duffy is going to be coming in to do another lesson with us. So I would really appreciate it if everybody could come on during that time and participate with us in her lesson. I think it's going to be a really good one. She kind of sent me a little video of the video that she's going to actually use in the lesson today. And it seems like it's going to be a lot of fun. So if everybody could make the effort to come on to office hours at 10:30 and again participate in Mrs. Duffy's lesson, that would be great. She did want me to also let you know that for the lesson today, you're going to need paper and you're going to need either crayons or markers. So if you have those three things around your house that you can use and that you can bring with you at 10:30 for Mrs. Duffy's lesson, that would be great too. I think there's going to be a little activity that allows you to use paper, crayons, and markers. So just make sure that you do that before you come on. And then I also wanted to share my screen with you and just talk a little bit about our writing assignment for today. So just going to show you my screen. So for writing today, there's actually going to be a video that Mrs. Zillahy made for us. So she's going to kind of explain to you kind of what we're doing today for poetry. Poetry, we're actually going to be working on poems that have repeated lines, sounds, and words. So a lot of times when you're reading a poem, or very specifically like a song, you'll see this a lot in like songs. But sometimes poets, they write the same line a bunch of different times in their poem, or they might write the same sound, or they might repeat words in their poem. So Mrs. Zillahy is going to teach you a little bit more about that, and then you're going to try practicing it on your own. So you're going to write a poem today that repeats lines or sounds or words. And so what I did was I kind of left you an example over here about a poem that does that, repeats lines and words and sounds. And then again, you're going to try writing your own poem that does that. And what I did was I also included the items list for poetry, something that we did at the very beginning of our poetry unit, where I had you just kind of list a whole bunch of items in your house. And that's kind of how you were able to find things to write about in your poems. So if you need help with thinking about what to write for your poem today, then you can definitely go and click this link right here that says items list for poetry, and then go find the items list that you made for yourself, and then just look through that list and find something that you think you can write a poem about. And then once you have an idea of what you want to write about and you're ready to try testing out repeated lines, sounds, and words in your poem, then you're going to click this link down here, and that's going to open up a Google Doc for you to write your poem for today. Okay, so that's gonna be our writing, and then everything else is pretty much the same. So make sure you check out the phonics lesson that I'm gonna be doing with you today. There's no assignment for it, so it's just kind of watch that video and experience the lesson, and then don't forget to do your math. Watch that video and then do the assignment on Think Central for that. And then Mrs. Zillahy also did a reading lesson that will eventually end up with you going on to Epic and reading a book on Epic. So that's pretty much our whole day today. So again, just make sure that you can take some time to hopefully come on to office hours today at 10:30 and participate in Mrs. Duffy's lesson. I know that she would really appreciate it if everybody could come on, and we can get as many people to participate in it as possible. So if you have the free time and you have the availability, please come on and join us for that lesson. Okay, everybody, I hope you all have a great day. I can't wait to see all of the great work that you're going to do today. And just have a great day. Be safe and be healthy. Take a lot of brain breaks today as well. Okay, everybody? Bye. Have a good day.